Welcome to my class. Today I'm going to talk about clients and servers. During the evolution of computers, we had mainframe and we had mini computers, supercomputers also, and now we have microcomputers. So in the case of mainframes and mini computers, the data is kept in a central computer, and also all the processing is done in that central computer. So all the terminals connected to those computers are dumb terminals. Dumb terminals means the terminals cannot process the information, process the data to get the information. For example, I go to a bank machine. So whatever I do in the bank machine terminal, the actual processing is done in the central server, which may be far away. So my account is immediately updated. For that reason, central processing is good. There are a lot of technologies started with central processing method. For example, SAP also. But when a technology or application uses central processing, there are disadvantages. Setting up a mainframe computer is very expensive. Mainframe computers those days are very big. We have to have office space, air-conditioned space, with a lot of restrictions. And also, if I have to install a particular application, if that application is based on central processing, then first I have to buy a mainframe computer or a mini computer, so where the investment is quite high. So I have to invest a lot of money in the hardware, then I buy the application. Even the software, even the operating system, everything is expensive. Then I buy the application, so my overall cost is very high. The same thing happened to SAP also. So SAP market at that time when using mainframe computers or mini computers, not that good. But then after microcomputers started developing in 1980s, a lot of people were able to buy microcomputers. They were not that expensive those days, maybe $5,000 you can buy a good one. So setting up a network with many microcomputers was not expensive compared to setting up a network with central processing. In a microcomputer network, rather than putting our data in all the computers, we can put our data in one machine. And everybody can access the data from their machines from this central machine. That central machine, which provides files to the other machine, is called a server. So in this example, server is providing something. What is it providing? It's providing file services. It doesn't mean it has to provide only file services. Those days we used to use one fax server, and everybody connect to that to send faxes, or modem server, or proxy server. There were a lot of name server. There were a lot of types of servers. So if it is a name server, that is sharing the name service. So name service is a service. If it is sharing a file, it is file service. So a server can either serve the clients, the others are clients. Serve the clients with files or with service. DNS service or NIS service, or NIS plus service, or file service, or print service, fax service, modem service, and so on. So those servers which are providing these services are called file service. The clients are getting the services from the server, and they are using the services, and the people are working in the client, so they make use of those services. The client in IT world is like this, but the meaning of client in SAP world is little different, so which I don't want to get into now. So I hope you understood what is a client and what is a server. Thank you.